Bob, I know you've been talking about a few possible changes over the next couple of days.
It's not going to be drastic.
Okay.
I don't think we'll have to change plans much at all. Okay. Tomorrow afternoon, maybe a brief shower or two, but the weekend's looking good too. That's a good sign. You know, the weather's been so nice as of late and looks like it may continue right on in through the weekend, although we'll have a little brief disruption tomorrow. That is the result of a weak cold front. We talked about it in the earlier weathercast, and again, that is not going to be much. Nice sunset tonight, a beautiful one right there. On Siesta Key, it looked nice too. Michael's sending this one in, and a beautiful shot on Siesta Key. Appreciate that. And another one right there, just down the road, Crescent Beach. Tracy sending that in. You can see some clouds off in the distance there. Again, looking at another nice sunset tomorrow. So here's what we got. We've got a weak front arrives on Friday, a weak cold front. It's not going to be really too cold behind it. Temperatures will stay slightly below average, I think, on Saturday and Sunday morning. It's going to be a mild weekend as well. We're going to see a much warmer week, though, next week. It's going to be in the upper 80s. Unfortunately, even some 90-degree temperatures not out of the question as a result of a large, sprawling high-pressure ridge, which will build over much of the eastern third of the nation. Well, this low-pressure area tracks off to the northeast. There's a little trailing cold front with it. Not much to it at all as it heads to the southeast. Currently, nothing cold about this. It's nice, 72 degrees, and winds are out of the south at 5 miles an hour. The pressure continues to rise now at 29.96. The high today was 78. That was comfortable. This morning's low right at the average of 63 degrees, 91 the record. Well, the European forecast model does depict some shower activity around the timing, maybe an hour or two difference from what it's showing there, but we are expecting one or two brief showers, especially inland. The rain chance only at 20%. The front continues to move southward and kind of fades away. We have some higher clouds moving in with a westerly flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere, around 40,000 feet on Saturday. And then that quickly moves out of here on Sunday. We should see sunny skies and temperatures a little bit warmer by midday. We'll start off on the cooler side, though, on Sunday, low 60s, which is nice. As far as the national satellite and radar imagery goes, there's not a lot of big storms around the U.S. right now. This one was the one that brought us the rain on Monday and early Tuesday morning. That's now finally starting to wrap up over Maine. This one heading in that direction, but it's not going to be as bad, but still bringing some showers to the northeast portion of the United States. And then this little hitter here doesn't have much moisture to work with. It is moving off to the south right now, but not having much of a factor. So for us, expect some increasing clouds tomorrow afternoon and a slight chance for a few showers as another storm heads toward the northeast. We'll take a look at the longer range forecast showing quite a bit of rainfall down to our south near Cuba and into the Florida Straits. But for us, we're going to stay high and dry here for a while. This is a long-range forecast. The blue indicates the colder air, red and yellow warmer, obviously, and you'll start to see that kind of spreading off to the east and even into the northeast over the upcoming week. In fact, temperatures will be upper 80s, approaching upper 80s each and every day from Monday on and through Friday of next week. Then another weak front moves in next Friday. We've been watching this area. The European model starting to show a little line of low pressure developing here. So we'll keep an eye on it for you, look at future runs, but right now nothing to worry about, just indicating that the tropical season not far behind. Temperatures in the 60s and 50s for highs tomorrow, so spring finally hits most of the U.S. After that tough spring that they've seen. Also for boaters tomorrow, winds out of the west at 10 knots. Seas will be right around 2 feet. There'll be a light chop now. We are anticipating a little bit higher seas over the weekend, but no advisories necessary. Water temperature 78, and the beaches will see a high right around 78 degrees tomorrow. As far as the 7-day forecast goes, looks like this. We're going to see nice weather tomorrow despite the clouds and slight chance for shower. And then the weekend looking really quite nice, a little bit below average. And then here we go, upper 80s Monday, right on in through Thursday.